Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. As an affiliate for Northwest Registered Agents, I can provide you with a link where you can get a service for $39. It includes some really cool stuff, and I'm going to go through that with you right now. So, click the link below, and we can get started. That will bring you to this page here. You'll see $39 business service formation, form your LLC, corporation, or nonprofit today. We're going to go ahead and get started. You can see it's an LLC basic package for $39. You get your registered agent service for free for the first year, normally $125. This package is actually more expensive as well, I think totaling around $225, but because of this link, you're getting a special discount. Here, we'll form an LLC and hit continue. The LLC name I searched for last week was Digital Apex LLC. You can select a business purpose and type out your own if you want to be very specific. However, a generic purpose is okay too, especially if your business encompasses various online and digital ventures like mine. For the physical and mailing address, I would select both of those as your registered agent since you get that service for free using this link. Since it's member managed, meaning you're the sole manager, you'll select member managed. How many members? Just yourself. Next, I'm going to create a Gmail account for my LLC. These are optional items. You can elect to add your tax ID, EIN, here if you don't want to do it yourself. There's a 10-day processing fee, but it's pretty quick. With that being said, I got mine under the 10 days, and we actually have all of our forms for the LLC I started through them. Now, I am an affiliate for Northwest Registered Agents, not an employee, and this is not sponsored. However, I also am a customer and use them personally. This is why I wanted to share this information with you, because I find it to be an amazing service. The processing fee went up from $20 to $25, which is still worth it. You'll likely get a phone call from Northwest Registered Agents to walk you through the process after you submit your information. They'll answer any questions and explain what happens next. As you can see, for $64, they will get your paperwork filed for you. It can be a daunting task to do it all on your own, so I highly recommend it. They are also your registered agent for free for the first year, normally $125. The basic package might be a little more expensive usually, but using the affiliate link gets you a discount. The cost will vary by state. For example, California is cheaper to file in compared to Wyoming or Delaware. Some states offer one-day processing for an additional fee. Overall, it's a fair price, especially in California. Northwest Registered Agents seem like a fair company, and I'm excited to be a customer. As mentioned before, I'm an affiliate partner, not a sponsor. I'm just a satisfied customer who wanted to share the time and money you can save by using their service. Check them out using the link in the description to get the discount. The state fees will vary, but Northwest Registered Agents charge very little for filing. It's a great deal for the service you receive. Thank you for watching. Leave any questions or comments below. I'm interested to know what type of businesses you run and why you're filing for an LLC.